Fuck you, sir. Fuck you, sir. You're not a judge, bitch. Fuck you, sir.
Are you done, Ms. Williams?
No.
Okay.
When
Continue.
you're done, I'll be done.
Present before the court is Ms. Williams, right?
Yes, could you read the case number again, please?
It is 25 CR 42659.
Okay, was this a warrant or an indictment information?
This is an arraignment because you have been indicted by the grand jury.
Whoa! Started with fireworks. When someone opens a hearing with expletives flying at the judge, you know this is going to be messy. This isn't just a dispute over procedure. It's ego, frustration, and chaos colliding. Quick poll for you. Have you ever seen someone challenge authority this hard in court before?
Jury.
I have been indicted by the grand jury.
Yep.
Okay, can we get into that right now?
Have you received a copy of your indictment?
I've got a copy right here that's been filed with Warren County, the Common Pleas Court, Warren County, Ohio, filed 2025, May 27th, a.m. at 8:58. That's before we open.
All right. First order of business, Ms. Williams.
Bryson Smith, clerk of courts. Here, please, wait here. Here's what it says. The offense is contrary to the form of the statute in such case made and provided, and against the peace and dignity of the state of Ohio. Okay, so it says the offense is contrary. It says it's not an agreement.
Okay.
It is not an indictment. I was not indicted in any way, shape, or form.
So first order of business, Ms. Williams.
First order of business is I'm not indicted.
First order of business, Ms. Williams, is do you want to be represented by a lawyer in this case?
You hired this lawyer, sir, Judge Oda. You hired this lawyer.
Well,
I did not want this lawyer, Judge Oda. You hired the lawyer. I did not hire a lawyer. My lawyer is a black man named Tyrone Border. That's my lawyer, a black man. This is not a black man, and this is not my lawyer. You hired him, Judge Oda, because he told me you hired him.
Have you retained Mr. Borger in the case?
Here's the first legal red flag. Miss Williams refuses the appointed lawyer, claiming she never retained him. In most courts, refusing representation doesn't remove the legal obligation. You can self-represent, but the stakes skyrocket. Audience question. Would you ever self-represent knowing the judge could hold you accountable for procedural mistakes?
Have you ever given me a chance to call my attorney? No, you have not. Have you ever given me a chance for anything? I was released from bond. My bond was paid, that $30,000, and the house was put up in Mason by Sandra Hopkins. Yes, yes, it was because it was. Because it was, and it was. $300,000 was the bail. Okay, bond. I was never released, sir.
So have you retained?
Here's something else here.
Ms. Williams, first of all, here's the ground rules for the hearing, Ms.
Okay,
Williams.
I'll let you speak.
One of us is going to talk at a time.
But see,
I'm going to hold on, Ms. Williams.
You are retired, sir. You are retired, sir.
Ms. Williams,
You are retired, sir.
only one of us is going to talk at a time.
You are retired.
I will
Yeah.
try to let you talk and finish when it's your turn to talk. If you extend to me that same courtesy, will you do that for me?
But you're retired, sir. So what are you doing on the bench?
So, Ms. Williams, did you hire Mr. Borger to represent you in this case?
No, because you've never given me a chance to use the phone as a phone call to my lawyer, sir.
All right. Because you haven't retained a lawyer in the
For
case.
2 months. I refuse this lawyer.
Again,
I will
Ms. Williams,
fucking be my own lawyer, sir, and I will be disrespectful as hell. I don't give a shit about you or anything in this goddamn place. You are a piece of shit. I know you as a piece of shit. He is a piece of shit. And this is bullshit. This is jeopardy because what's here, what's here as notarized is not fucking notarized in any goddamn way. This is not my lawyer, and you are not a judge because you are not on seat anymore. You retired, sir, about 4 years ago. So don't run your shit with me. It was on fucking South Lebanon's thing. You know, Landrum, don't hang out with JD. Fuck you, sir. Fuck you, sir. You're not a judge, bitch. Fuck you, sir.
are you done, Ms. Williams?
No.
Okay.
When you're
Continue.
done, I'll be done.
Well, first of all, we don't need Mr. Wendell anymore because you don't want him to represent you in the case, right?
Right.
So
I'd rather go to hell first than use him.
I'm going to keep Mr. Wendell on the case as what we call a standby counsel for right now
Oh, that's
because based upon...
fine. Keep his mouth shut.
All right, this is classic courtroom theater. She's raging, refusing her lawyer, swearing, and even insulting the judge's legitimacy. The judge responds with a strategic move, keeping the lawyer on standby. Smart play. She gets her say, but there's still a safety net. Fun fact, standby counsel exists precisely for volatile hearings like this. Could you imagine your lawyer just watching while you explode like this?
Are you done, Miss Williams?
No, are you done?
Go ahead.
Kangaroo court.
Tell me what you want to tell me.
I'm supposed to be at 500 Justice Drive. This is 500 Justice Drive.
This is 500 Justice Drive.
No, it isn't. It's 880. It's felony court. This is 880. You know how I know? Because I'm a goddamn mail lady, you fucker. I'm a veteran mail lady, 20 years delivering the mail. That's how I know, fuckhead. This is 880 address. And the court, the traffic court is 822, bitch. The old jail is 822. I'm not at 822 address. I'm at the 880 address of the jail, sir. So, all your paperwork is all fucked up. Here's another thing, sir. The year is 2027, sir. The date is July 23rd, sir.
Now the plot thickens. She insists the court is at the wrong address, the wrong year, and even questions the validity of the flag placement. This is where courtroom reality meets personal perception. Courts handle disputes like this calmly, but for viewers, it's a masterclass in chaos. Question for the audience: when does skepticism turn into full-blown court chaos?
You okay,
so
sir?
here's what
Year
I'm
is
gonna do.
2027. It
Ms.
is not.
Williams?
It is not 2025. Idiot. When are you going to wake up and smoke some dope? Smoke some dope, Louis, because you don't know what the fuck is up and what is good and what is right and what is wrong. You're fucked up and from the floor. This is kangaroo court. You're bullshit. You are bullshit and you are bullshit. The year is 2027. How do I know? Because I voted for President Trump. Okay? So what you don't know, I do know, Judge Oda. You are the devil itself. Go to hell, Judge Oda.
So here's what
You are
I'm
not
gonna
a
do,
judge.
Miss Williams.
You are not sitting on court.
Enter the classic kangaroo court line. She's convinced this is legitimate because of flag positioning and procedural details. While it's dramatic, legally, the court still has authority. Humor aside, this is where passion collides with procedure, and viewers get a front row seat to courtroom meltdown. Could you stay calm if your case got this heated?
This is not a court of law.
The court
Because
finds
here's why it's not a
this
court of law.
point, Ms.
The
Williams,
flag behind you is a state flag, and it's on the wrong goddamn side. Because the United States of America's flag goes on that side. And the state flag goes on the other. And the state flag is lower than the goddamn United States of America. So this is fucking kangaroo court, you bitch. Don't you fuck with me, motherfucker.
Ma'am, let him say his part.
No, he ain't saying shit. And you aren't either, you bitch. So
Yeah.
your kangaroo court is full of shit.
Here's a procedural pivot. The judge orders a competency evaluation. This isn't punishment. It's a legal safeguard to ensure she can understand and participate in her defense. Standby counsel remains in place, keeping the process moving. Takeaway: even when chaos erupts, courts follow procedure to protect rights and fairness. Side note: real courtroom moments like this are rare gold for viewers. They teach more than any scripted drama.
this hearing's over. I do
You're right,
find,
it
Ms.
is
Williams,
over.
that
You're
you are
fucking
not
straight up right.
competent
It is
to
goddamn over.
address
You
the
are
issues
over.
of
Go to
arraignment.
hell, you bitch, Rover.
I'm going to have you evaluated for the purpose of determining your competency to whether or not you can understand the nature of the proceedings and assist in your own
That's double
defense.
jeopardy because you charged me twice.
I'm going to keep you on the case, Mr. Wendell, as a standby counsel till we get that figured out.
Would you like me to coordinate a date with assignment?
Yeah, go ahead and get a date with Ms. Isle.
Thank you.
Should I join in the motion for suggestion of incompetence? All parties are requesting it.